right, let's get started. Okay. My wonderful 7B class, wonderful 7B. I think I was in 7B. Was I in? No, I was in 7A. We had three. We had 7A, B, and C. I was in 7B. I was. Okay. Let's begin. What I'd like to do on this video is evaluate these fractions, these expressions. Okay? Let's review what they are first. Let's know what we're doing. Okay? This is two mixed fractions, and what am I doing? Am I adding or subtracting? I'm subtracting. What are these? You can say it, guys. You've got to participate. You've got to participate. I'm adding what? What kind of fractions are these? Mixed fractions, okay. And this is a little bit of a weird thing here. What operations do I do first? Multiplication before addition. Good. Same thing here. This looks a little weird here. I've got to do the numerator and the denominator separately, and then simplify, right? Do I? Okay. And what do I have to do here? You're going to do the exponent first, and then do some. And what about down here? Yeah, I'm going to do the multiplication first, etc. So, fairly straightforward. Not a big deal. Yes, you need some practice. But is everybody ready to begin? Okay. So let's do this. Let's work this way. Okay? So I'll work right here, and as I do one, I'll erase it, and then we'll go. So we'll kind of go sort of backwards. Okay? So what do I do with this? 18 minus what? 4. Okay? 18 minus 4. And then what do I do here?
8
times 2 is 16. 18 minus 16 is 2. Okay? So this is going to be, what's 18 minus 4? 14, right? Yeah. Divided by 2 is what?
7.
14 divided by 2 equals 7. Yes? Okay? Yes? Okay. Are we correct? Make sure you check the back, because I'm not perfect. Well, you don't know what problem these are. I think we're pretty safe, don't you? I think we're pretty safe. Somebody want to be a volunteer? I need 2 volunteers. Table in the back. Can you volunteer for me? Yes. Can you volunteer for me? Look these problems up in the book. They're on section B and C. Okay. Yes. 4B2 and 4B3 and 4B4. Okay? And 4B5. 4B2, 3, and 4, and 5, right? Yes? And then look up the answers in the back and make sure we're okay. Is that clear? So look these up first. Look 6, 7, 8, 9 up first. Okay? Can you do that? These are going to be the later ones. These are going to be from probably 4B3, 4, 5. Okay? All right. Let's do this one. What do we got to do first? What do we have to do first? Come on, guys. Little participating. Yes? I've got to add what first? 1/3 and the 1/4, right? Okay, and what's going to be, what do I have to do to 3 and 4? Can I add, is that going to be, what, 2 over 7? Or, I mean, how do I do that? Hello, Miss Lily's here. Isn't that wonderful? She's the nice person. That's okay. Okie dokie. Smoky. Okay, how you doing back there? Are you looking at the problems? Are you being successful?
No.
You're He's not being successful. Okay, very good. So what do I have to do to 1/3 and 1/4? What do I have to do? Yes?
Make the denominator.
Make the denominator what? When am I going to make the denominator?
Make it the same denominator.
Okay, make it the same denominator, but what's the denominator going to be?
Well,
Less common.
least common multiple, least common denominator, and he gave the answer. Is there anyone who doesn't agree with him? He says that the denominator is 12. Is that right?
Yeah. Yes.
You're right. I like that. That was very serious. That was like, you owned that answer, young lady. Excellent. Okay, what did I do to the 3 to get 12? What did I do to this 3 to get 12?
4
Times 4, so it's going to be 4 over 4, right? So what's 4 times 1? 4, right? And then what did I do to this 4 to get 12? Multiply by what? 3, so 3 times 1 is? 3, excellent. So that's going to be plus 3, okay? And then what about this down here? What do I have to do? Can you do that mentally? I'm blocking the board. Okay, sorry. Try to do this mentally. Let's do some mental math. If, this is 1 minus 1/5. What denominator does this 1 have really? What is it? No. Yes. But that's going to be correct. But every number has what? Every whole number has what as a denominator? Like I'm going to write this number. 1. Yes, exactly. Good. 1. So it's going to be 1 over 1, right? So it's going to be 1 over 1 plus a minus 1 over 5. And somebody already said it. So, and you kind of jumped ahead a little bit. And that's okay. So what's going to be the denominator, the common denominator?
5.
What is it? 5. Good. So how am I going to rewrite that? 5 over what? 5 over 5 minus what? 1 over 5. And what's that going to give me?
4 over 5.
What is that? 5 over 5 minus 1 over 5. What's that going to give me?
4 over 5.
What is it?
4 over 5.
4 over 5. And what about this?
7.
What about that? What's that going to be? 7 over 12. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
And now what? What do I do? Let's put it down here. 7 over 12. Four over 5. What do I do? What do I do? They're stunned. What do I do? Think about it. How do I rewrite this? 7 over 12 divided by 4 over 5. How do I rewrite that? All right, let's stop this film. We'll make this part 1, all right, and we'll do a little bit of work on this kind of problem because I'm not sure if it's lack of participation or you have no idea what you're doing. So we need a little practice, don't you think? And we'll come back to these, yes? Okay, this is end of part 1, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. All right.